Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is background photo stock or backgrounds. Here is two different landscape and portrait. Total size is 1.48 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it for you for easy to download. Total file is 737 okay, and these files are protected and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy in $2.99 for lifetime access. That's mean all password in this app. First landscape, you see the quality of here is 3.80 MB JPG file. Wow, amazing. Here is 4K size background. You can use anywhere. Wow. Here is 501 photo in landscape. All files are high definition or same size. You see here 2.10 MB and here is 4.50 MB. Here is low resolution, okay, and here is 1080. Wow. Last is portrait. You see, wow. Here is 236 background in portrait. Wow. Wow. Okay, and this file is protected password in this app. Download this app on Google Play Store. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.